4,
3,
2,
1.
1.
Retirement! Alright guys, today on Shen You Cook, we're going to be doing chicken Alfredo. Here are the ingredients. Hi guys, I'm Michelle.
And I'm Nelson.
And we are
Shentirement.
Welcome to our channel, guys.
Welcome.
If you're new to our channel, we welcome you with open arms. Hey, here's a little message for me. I know you want to leave me, but I refuse to let you go. If I have to beg and please for your like and subscribe, I don't mind, because you mean that much to me. All right, guys. Like I say, if you're new, welcome. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.
All right. Got that out the way. That was my entertainment side. Now let me get back to my cooking side. All right, guys. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us... No. I messed up. If you're new, we welcome you with open arms. And that was for you. If you're returning, welcome back, fam. We appreciate you guys so much. Here is a big old virtual hug from us. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it.
Amen.
We're going to be doing chicken Alfredo in the crock pot. Guys, I use my crock pot. I don't use it all the time. I'm not a crock pot cooker, but as of late, I've been using it a lot. I normally use it on low, cook overnight, like if I do oxtails, neck bones and stuff like that, I cook them overnight. But as of late, like I said, I've been using it during the day to cook our meals, and I've got some interesting recipes. So like I said, we're going to be doing chicken Alfredo in the crock pot. Cook time is 3.5 hours. So let's get started, guys. The first thing we're going to do is season this meat. Alrighty? Use your own, season to your own taste. It's kind of sloppy, right? But that's all right. This stuff right here, straight bomb, guys. Makes everything taste good. I'm gonna mix it all up. Alrighty, 3 hours later, we're getting ready to add the broccoli. It's just frozen broccoli, guys. Give it a good stir. So we cover this and let it cook 30 more minutes. And already, 3.5 hours later, dinner is ready. And there you have it, guys. Chicken Alfredo with broccoli over pasta. That is a wrap for Shentirement. I'm getting ready to chow down on this plate. Nelson is cutting the grass, and he said if he stops right now, he won't start back. And I totally understand, because when I'm cleaning, if I stop to answer the phone or do anything, that's a wrap, guys. So I am about to chow down on this pasta, and I will See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.